Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 26 August 2020. Sweet children, Baba has come to make you into the kings of flowers. Therefore, there should be no bad order of vice. Question: what effort should you make in order to finish all rest of the vices? Answer: constantly make effort to remain introverted. To be introverted means to become detached from your body in a second. You should completely forget everything of this world, go up above and come down in a second. When you practice this, all trace of the vices will finish. In between doing everything, become introverted. It should feel like absolute dead silence. There should not be the slightest noise or movement. It should be as though this world doesn't exist. Essence for Dharana. First point: imbibe the imperishable wealth of knowledge and then donate it. Give yourself a tilak of sovereignty through this study. Become a benefactor like the Father. Second point: observe all precautions about food and drink. Be careful that your eyes never deceive you. Reform yourself. Don't perform any sinful act with your physical organs. Blessing: may you be world benefactor who gives the world the water of light with your seed stage. The seed stage is the most powerful stage, and this stage works like a lighthouse. With this stage, you become instrument to spread light in the whole world. Just as a whole tree automatically receives water through its seed, in the same way, when you remain stable in the seed stage, the world receives the water of light. However, in order to make your light reach the whole world, you need to have the powerful stage of a world benefactor. For this, become a lighthouse, not a light bulb. Be aware that you have to benefit the whole world with every thought. Slogan: the power to adjust will enable you to pass with honors at delicate times. Om Shanti.